Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be showing you how to invest in the global economy. Let's go! So guys, today we're going to be explaining to you and actually showing you in real life in Degiro how to invest in the global economy just by buying one single ETF. And if you've been following our account for a while, you know of course which ETF we're talking about. By the way, if you're watching this video until the end, we're also going to be giving you a quick little update on the size of our portfolio. You can then find out what the current balance of our portfolio is. And of course, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps out major, and also please subscribe if you haven't done so already. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to quickly go to our portfolio because we already own a little bit of this ETF, because it's of course, as you might know, Vanguard, the FTSE All-World UCITS ETF, the USD distributing. This little part at the end actually means that it also pays out dividend once every quarter, which of course is a nice little bonus. And as you can see, we already own 6 of these shares. Today we're going to be buying one additional share, and we're going to show you how to actually do that. But first, we're going to look at the last year's performance, and you actually see that it's been going up and down quite drastically, I must say. Usually you would see that it's quite a stable position, but as you can now see, the last 1 year it's been going up and down. And also if you look at the last 5 years, you will see that there's some ups and downs, of course. Looking at the all-time performance, we do see a very, very steady increase in the long run. And as you, of course, should know, we are long-term investors, guys. We don't invest for the short-term gains. We really invest for the long term, and that's why we don't really care about the day-to-day. So now let's directly start and buy some more Vwrl. We first press on the buy button, as you see right there, and then we're going to enter the quantity here. So in our case, we're just going to be buying one additional share, guys, so we don't want anything too crazy for today. And then the price limit, I'm gonna put it a little bit higher than you might do when you're buying it, just for the sake of this video. So I just want the transaction to directly be executed, which is why I'm putting it a little bit above the asking price, 25 cents, 92 euros and 25 euro cents. I'm gonna place the order. Here I see then the current bid and ask price, the amount of shares that I want to be buying, which is 1. Of course, see that it's 0 euros of Degiro fees, because it's part of the free selection that Degiro offers, which of course is great. And then the next thing for us is just to press the confirm button, which will say the order has been placed successfully. I actually entered the wrong number in the order. So I've now updated that, and it directly gets pushed through. As you can now see, we currently own 7 shares instead of 6. So if we go back to our portfolio, we own 7 shares of Vwrl right now. Currently available to trade is still around 106 euros. So we still have some room available for a new trade. And that's where we really want to ask for some tips from your side. So guys, leave them down in the comment section. If you have any shares or ETFs that you think we should be investing in, then we might do some research on it, and we might be buying those in the next video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Let's go.